Oh, I'm just gonna pretend that I'm riding this bike to make all you teen girls wet with the light. Do you feel that those stairs, that's us taking your dad's cash? Oh, I know that this looks kinda strange, but I just feel right when I'm rubbing on Zayn. Please don't tell Taylor Swift, she'd get pissed, even though I don't that bitch. Guys, this is bullshit. Why do I have to ride this?
It's your punishment
For what?
for shaving your head.
Now let's all go to prison so we can dance with locked-up men, and then we can pretend that we play instruments by posing with them in stupid pics. Why don't we take off all our clothes and play a game of drop the soap? Hell yeah!
I will take the photographs.
Let's drop our pants and these 5 soap bars. Oh, maybe if we all pretend we can ski, it'll make this video less creepy. This is ridiculous. Who is directing this shit? Oh, I'm the only Irish guy singing in this song. That's why I dance like a gay leprechaun. Also, I play guitar. Did you know I play guitar? Oh, holy crap! Taylor Swift is on our ass. She's got a gas. She's gonna kill Harry and then write a hit song about how you did her so wrong. I knew you were trouble, Harry. Can't you see you belong with me? Hey, maybe I can kill the bitch using my secret nipple trick. Go for it! Oh my god, what the hell is that? He just made her crush with my 4 nipples. Harry has 4 nipples. Harry has 4 nipples. They made Taylor drive off the road. To celebrate, let's all dress up as Seamen, because we all love Seamen.
Your face!
Something special.
Something special for you in your face, bitch!
Go get 'em, boys.
In your face!
Something special.
Exclusive for you!
Something exclusive.
I'll pop up the box, swing on a spring. Big Violent J with the axe out. Trouble we bring, a juggalo thing. Wicked clown with the boom pow bang. In your face, through the glass as a fireworks blast. Shaggy the clown hit a murder some ass. I've been a strangler, no coast to coast, and I turn any thug into a ghost. In your face, juggalo only when it's convenient, and no, they don't mean it. We sick of being lenient. Step your ass back before the hatchet attacks, and you catch a few hacks from the axe. I crawl like a tarantula on my toes and thumbs. Born to the carnies, gypsies and bums. I spit my raps and tongues over voodoo drums. Bitch, wicked shit this way comes. In your face.
For you, something special for you. We got you covered, homie. Something exclusive for you.
Hej, alle sammen, Twisted Mister, og ja, tak fordi I gider at se vores video. I må virkelig undskylde, at den ikke kommer op fredag, selvom vi ikke har så mange abonnementer endnu, men nogle af jer har lovet, at den skulle komme op fredag. Men ja, vi valgte at lave 2 musikvideoer for sjov, og ja, og dem der var med i videoen, det var Twisted Dirt, og ham der sidder bag kameraet kender ikke, det er Twisted Sir. Men ja, den første sang der var med, det er Kill You, One Direction Parody med Bart Barker, og der er et link til hans channel oppe i det der hjørne. Og vi har også den anden video, som er Insane Clown Posse med In Your Face, og der er et link til deres channel oppe i det der hjørne. Ja, gå ind og tjek dem ud, de er fucking syge at høre på. Link, subscribe, del det hele lortet, og ved I hvad? Mindst af alt, glem ikke at så subscribe vores channel, for ellers så kommer vi efter dig.